In this video, I would like to show you how to find the area and perimeter of such shapes. So for the first one here, it's a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is just the length times the width. So it's 10 times 5, which is 50. And the units is centimeters squared. It's always units squared. The perimeter is when you add all the sides. So this is 10, that's 5. This is 10, and this is 5. So the perimeter is 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5. That's 15 plus 15, which is 30 centimeters. Now, for this square down here, the area is similar. It's this times that. So it's 5 times 5, which is 25 centimeters squared. The perimeter similarly is adding all the sides. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, it's 5 4 times, which is 20 centimeters. Now, the circle. They gave us the radius of the circle. The radius is the whole length from one side, from one point on the circumference to another point, passing through the center. So this is 10. Now the area is pi times the radius squared. The radius is half the diameter. So if all this length is 10, this is called the diameter. So the radius is half of it, so it's just 5. So it's going to be pi times 5 squared, which is pi times 25, and that's just 25 pi. 25 pi centimeters squared. Now, the circumference is pi times the diameter. Since the diameter is 10, the whole length is 10, so it's 10 pi centimeters. If they ask you to write it in numbers without pi, not in terms of pi, just plug this in your calculator. Now let's go and do this nice pentagon here. The perimeter is when you add all the sides. So this pentagon has 5 sides. Each one of them is 5. So the perimeter is 5, 5, 5, 5 times. So it's 25 centimeters. That's the perimeter. From now on, the perimeter of anything, just add all the sides. Now let's look at this nice right angle triangle. The area of the right angle is half times the base times the height. Now, the base is, we can just say it's 6, and the height is 8. So the opposite of the right angle is called the hypotenuse, so we don't look at this 10 at all. We don't need it. So it's going to be half times 6 times 8. Half times 6 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. And then it's centimeters squared because it's area. Okay. Now the perimeter is adding all the sides. So it's 6 plus 8 plus 10. 6 plus 8 is 14. Plus 10 is 24 centimeters. How was it? Was it easy? Can you find the area? Can you find the perimeter of this shape? All the sides are 6 meters and they are all equal. Let's assume they are all equal. So can you find the perimeter here? Comment your answer. Thank you for following. Bye-bye.